Hey guys, so welcome to UTech. Over here we got the bill payment section. And we got our friend George here.
Hey, how are you? What bill are you paying today?
So after doing your bill, you know, we got a sale going on TVs over there. So be sure to come in and check it out. Great pricing. Welcome to our sales section. So over here we got everything from phones, computers, tablets, headphones, high-end stuff, you know. And we got our friend Joel here. How are you? So as we move more towards the end of the store, it comes to what I would say is our specialty, which is repairs. Follow me, come on. While you wait, you know, you can gain some knowledge. We got some books over here, nice stuff. Stay hydrated with some water. And while you're chilling, this is where we do the important thing. This is where we fix your device, and we do it professionally and efficiently. And as you leave us today, you have become one of our valued customers. And you have joined a circle of savings. And we've always got goodies like this, which are extra savings for your next visit. But thank you for watching the UTech show, and be sure to stay tuned for the next episode. We are the electronic experts.